In this video we will see how to publish to a web viewer a point cloud project created with Tcp PointCloud Editor. On the main ribbon, click the Publish button. We enter the username and password, or register if we have not done so before. Next, we fill in the author name, the description and optionally the keywords and a thumbnail image. In this case we leave the public box unchecked, so that only those who have the link can see it. We leave selected all the elements of the project and accept to start the publication. When the process is complete, links for visualization and project management are displayed. Click on the first link and the web viewer opens. With the mouse we can orbit over the 3D point cloud. We can also change the representation of point clouds, from natural color to intensity. Now depending on the elevation, the eye dome lighting effect enhances the relief. We establish the representation by categories, which allows us to even activate or deactivate them individually. Finally, we show the symbology based on LiDAR returns. The Scene panel allows us to control the visibility of each of the elements of the project or zoom in on its extension. The web viewer of Tcp PointCloud Editor allows you to perform measurements on the point cloud. We start by measuring the distance between 2 points. We can also measure areas by defining a polygon. Finally, with the Profile tool we define an alignment on the road, and we see that simultaneously the profile is displayed on the point cloud, being able to consult the data on it.